YouTube TV free trial and military discount information. As of now, YouTube TV does not offer a specific military discount. However, new subscribers can take advantage of a free trial period, which allows access to the service without immediate charges. Here's how you can apply for the free trial. Step number 1, visit the YouTube TV website. Navigate to tv.youtube.com. Step number 2, initiate the free trial. Click on the Try It Free button prominently displayed on the homepage. Step number 3, sign in or create a Google account. Use your existing Google account to sign in or create a new one if necessary. Step number 4, enter your zip code. Provide your zip code to confirm service availability in your area. Step number 5, select add-ons. This is optional. Choose any additional channels or packages you'd like to include in your subscription. Step number 6, provide payment information. Enter valid payment details. Note that while the trial is free, your payment method will be charged automatically after the trial period ends unless you cancel beforehand. Step number 7, start streaming. Upon completion, you can immediately begin enjoying YouTube TV's offerings.